Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to remove a show from your Viki watchlist. If your Viki watchlist is getting too crowded, then you would want to remove a show you no longer want to watch. So here is a quick tutorial on how to do it. Launch open your Viki application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the Me tab, select Watchlist. Find the show you want to remove from the watch list and then press and hold it. Now tap on Remove from Watchlist from the menu pop-up. Soon after you do that, you can go back to the home screen and you will then be able to remove the show from your watch list right away. And that's it. That way you can keep your list organized with only the dramas and movies you want to watch. If this video helped you, give a like, share and subscribe for more Viki tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.